Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on EndNote. Today I will guide you through installing EndNote on a PC, navigating its features, and adding references effectively. Before we move to our main lesson, let's know what is EndNote. EndNote is a reference management tool widely used by researchers, students, and academics to organize citations and create bibliography effortlessly. So, step 1, installing EndNote. To install EndNote, open your browser and search for endnote.com. So after you search for endnote.com, so this kind of interference will appear in your computer or laptop. Basically, this EndNote, it is a premium software where you have to purchase a plan where to pay for that. But if you are using it for a short-term basis, you can access its free trial. So to access its free trial, you can just click here, start your 30 days trial, and follow the instruction and fill the required details and proceed, and it will get downloaded to your laptop or PC. After you are done downloading EndNote to your PC, when you first open EndNote, this kind of interference will appear in your laptop. If you have already used EndNote or if you have an existing library, you can just open an existing library. But if you are new to EndNote, you can just create a new library. So click to create a new library and you name it the file of EndNote library. I will name it as Shaker EndNote library. Okay, Shaker EndNote library, and choose where you want to save. I will choose desktop and press save. After you're done, so in EndNote, basically there are three interference. First one is where you will see the basic tools like groups and all, an online search platform. And second is main, where you is the main reference where you can add reference to an EndNote. And third one is it will give the details of your reference. So basically there are two ways to add reference to an EndNote. You can manually add them or add through an online search. So let's learn how to manually add and reference to an EndNote. So to manually add a reference to an EndNote, you can click on the plus icon here. So so when you press there, uh, this kind of interference will appear in your computer or laptop. So for example, if I want to if I want to add a reference from this journal, so this journal, so like that you can enter the details like author, year, title, journal type, and if the volume of that journal is given, you can uh, enter here page number and all. And if you have PDF of that journal, you can just attach it here and save. After done saving your article or journal, it will appear here. So when you click here, information of your reference will appear here. If you want to edit here, or if you want to edit something on your reference, you can just click here and just edit it. Example, if I want to edit the year of publish, so I can just edit here like this and just click save. So the second way to add reference to an EndNote is through an online search database. So here are some of the given online search database. So if you want to use other online search database, you can just press the plus icon and you can choose one. For example, I will use this PubMed. Okay, I'll choose this PubMed. And on the search bar, you can search the name of the author and the year. Example, I have searched Blackadder and year of 2016 and press search icon. Now this online database search will search this particular article or journal and it will show it here. So after it's done, you can just click here and so now let's learn how we can add reference to our paper works or research works through EndNote. So as we have already added some of the reference to our EndNote from online and adding through manually, so let's add this reference to our paper works. So let me open a Word document here. So after that, on the top side, you will see basic tools like references, layout and all. So on that same place you will see EndNote 21 because it will be automatically added to your working tool after it is installed on your computer. So to add reference from this EndNote, so you just click to EndNote 21 and in the top left corner you will see insert citation. Okay, and if you want to change the referencing style, or if you want to do in other referencing style, you can just select from here. If you want to do in MHRA, or if you want to numbered or any other, you can just choose from here. So basically we follow the standard APA 7th edition, so I'll choose APA 7th edition. And now to insert citation, you just click here on insert citation and click insert citation and just uh, enter the topic of that uh, article or journal. So just type the name of a topic of the author, I mean like journal, and just click find button and it will search. So after you're done, you just select which one you want to insert. You just select here and the information of that journal will be shown here, and you just click insert button. So like this it will get inserted here. So it will get inserted and text citation will be also inserted, and in text citation will be also inserted. Like this you can insert citation to your paperwork through EndNote. So now let's learn some of the keyboard shortcuts in EndNote to make your work more easier and faster while you're inserting citation on EndNote. So some of the general shortcuts that have been frequently used while you're inserting citation on EndNote are: first one is press the button Ctrl plus N if you're using Windows, or press the button Command plus N if you're using MacBook. So by pressing these buttons, it will create a new reference. And the second one is press the button Ctrl plus F you're using Windows, and press the button Command plus F if you're using MacBook. So by this command, it will open a find dialog box. And third one is press the button Ctrl plus L in Windows or Command plus L in MacBook. It will open the edit library reference window. And fourth one is press the button Ctrl plus D in Windows, or press the button Ctrl Command plus D in MacBook to duplicate the selected reference. And just you can select one reference and directly press the button delete to remove the selected reference, and press Ctrl plus S in Windows and Command plus S in MacBook to save the changes in your library. So these are some of the basics and general shortcuts to make your work more easier and faster while you're doing. Thank you.